Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on CentOS Stream 10. Now open any web browser. See, I have the Firefox. If you don't have Firefox, then click on software, then search for Firefox and install. Okay, open Firefox, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then scroll down. See, here we have the MySQL Community downloads. Click on it. MySQL Community Server, then select the version. See, here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version, click on Archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system. See, here we don't have the CentOS stream. Okay, select the Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. Select the latest version of the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, that is 9x86 64-bit. Once we selected it, populated list of the RPM packages that needs to be download and execute to install the MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, so instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. CD, go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.42 tar file. We have to untar this one. tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls. See, here we have the list of the RPM packages extracted. We have to install these packages. Sudo rpm control rpm -ivh no deps star.rpm. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. mysqld is the service name of the MySQL Server. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Hit enter. See, we have successfully started. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is active and running. Okay, now we will see how to connect to MySQL Server. So to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of root account. First we have to get the password of root account. /var log mysqld.log grep password. But we should run this command with sudo. Hit enter. See, this is the temporary password for the root account. So set the permanent password for the root account. Sudo mysql _secure _installation. Hit enter. Sorry, we have to give this password. So copy this one and paste it. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. So give the strong password. So see, I have given the weak password, that's why I got the error. So give the strong password. Again, if you want to change the password, type S. I don't want, no. Remove anonymous users, type S. No. Remove the database, yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42 on CentOS 10, but the process is same on CentOS 8 also. on CentOS stream 10, but the process is same on CentOS stream 9 also. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.42. Control A. Now create a database. Create database. Now switch to this. Now verify. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database. Now switch to this new database. Verify list of tables. Show tables. We don't have any tables, so create a table. Create table. We have created a table. Let us verify. See, we have created a table customer. Control A. Now insert some data into this table. Now insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will see how to create a user. First verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL Server 8.0.42 installation. Create user David identified by, provide the password in singular double quotes. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify. See, new user David is created. Now exit from the MySQL session which we have connected by using root account. Exit. Now connect with this new user MySQL -u. U means username. Then username is David-p. Provide the password of this David account. See, we have successfully connected. Verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server by using this new user, that is David. Now try to switch to bank database. This will throw error. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.42 on CentOS stream 10. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, it is running, so start it. Control A. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Control A. Now also try to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL Server is stopped. Okay, now start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. It is started. Verify the status. See, MySQL Server is active and running. Q to quit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart flag MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, here we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using the most popular tools MySQL Workbench and DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both. Ls, these files are not required because we have successfully installed MySQL Server. rm star.rpm. ls, we have one more file. Remove this one also. rm give MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on CentOS stream 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.